Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. I hope everyone's having an amazing week. So today we are looking at the MAC Cosmetics in monochromatic collection, and it comes with like the different cults of like MAC's top selling lipsticks. So the cult that I'm wearing today in this red glittery frosty look is Rubywoo, of course, the infamous Rubywoo. So I hope you guys enjoy the tutorial, and I will leave everything in the description bar, and I can't wait to see you all soon. So now that we are getting through the skincare portion, and again, I will leave everything in the description bar, let's get into this collection. So the colors that I'm using are Folly, which is the frosty red color, Walking Heartbeats, which is the matte red color, and Ruby Glitter. And I'm just going to use my NC50 Studio Fix 24-hour wear smoothing concealer to prime my lids, and I'm going to also use that as my highlight color when I do my foundation. And if you like to see how I did my eyebrows, I will make sure that I link a video into this tutorial. I just recently updated my brow routine, and I actually did a tutorial showing the do's and don'ts of how to do your brows. So I will leave that either in the actual tutorial or in the description bar as well. Make sure you go check that out. So here I'm just buffing Saddle eyeshadow all over my lid. Saddle is one of my favorite transition colors to use for most of my looks, and it works wonderfully for women of color as a transition shade, and for more fair skin as a nice shade to warm up an eye look. So now I am taking a blending brush, and this is just a blending brush that I got from Jessup Cosmetics, and I am buffing Walking Heartbeats matte eyeshadow all over my lid and up into the crease. Next, I'm going to pack Folly Frost eyeshadow onto my lid. I'm using a flat concealer brush from Wet n Wild. Walgreens is having a sale, y'all, and so this brush set, you get like 10 brushes for $9, but it's really like a $30 brush set, so obviously that was a steal. So I definitely stocked up on these, but I'm just gonna pack Folly all over my lid. And you guys, this color is so beautiful. It's better than Ruddy, which is a frosty red from MAC as well. I'm really impressed with the whole monochromatic collection. It came out with the cult of Rubywoo, Sea Sheer, Diva, Velvet Teddy, Heroine, and Candy Yum Yum. And then taking any adhesive of your choice, I use the NYX mixing medium. Sometimes I use a clear brow set or just old-fashioned dual eyelash glue. And we are going to pack Ruby Glitter into the center of the eye. Next, I'm taking a flat top foundation brush and buffing out my foundation. I wear NC50 and the Studio Fix Fluid. Next, I'm going to take my mineralized skin finish powder and use that to put the color back into my foundation and to wipe off the invisible set powder. I'm just adding Baby It's Gold Outside from the Patrick Star and MAC Cosmetics collection. It is the highlight powder. And because you can never, ever have too much glow, I'm going to take the loose iridescent powder in golden bronze from MAC and go on top of that previous highlight to make it pop some more. This next part, please do at your own risk. I am going to take Rubywoo lipstick and apply it with an angled brush from Real Techniques Cosmetics, and I'm going to add that to my waterline. If you are not sure if you're going to have an allergic reaction to it, if you're not comfortable doing it, please don't. I am a professional. I am confident in what to do if I do have an allergic reaction, so I don't mind. So now that I am back and I'm popping, I'm back to my normal self, I am going to take Sur Blush, and that is from the Cult of Velvet Teddy, part of the monochromatic collection. I'm gonna add that in. I popped on my lashes, gonna do some mascara to blend, and that's pretty much the final look. So I really hope you all enjoyed the tutorial. I absolutely love the way it came out. I don't even like red that much, but I love this glitter and this eyeshadow. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and go check out some of my other videos. Until then, I'll see you soon.